that I'm at an all-time
Hey guys, so Fire Gymnastics. Today we're looking at my Fidget spinner collection. After we look at my collection, we're going to open up these surprise Fidget spinners. Let's get started. I really like this one a lot.
I'm still standing. Yeah.
Now we're going to spin this silver one.
Welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now.
Next four are boring, so I'm going to show you how they spin.
Everybody's in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. I can feel this. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Yeah. We just wanna see you shake that.
I love this Fidget spinner so much.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon.
This one is really cool and it spins really fast.
And I spin it 'cause I don't like it. I love it.
This one is like a basketball one.
Alone, I'm only one call away.
This one lights up.
Just on the night.
This one is a camouflage.
Down on me. I'm right.
This one is my favorite one. I love it so much.
When I see you travel back down that road.
Now we're going to open up the surprises. I'm going to open this one first. See what's inside. Ooh, I got a green Fidget.
I can feel my face when I'm with you.
Now let's open this one. It's really heavy.
There's two of them.
Fidget. That's it for today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite Fidget spinner is. See you later. Bye.